We're going to review scatterplots quickly, and then we're going to take a look at correlation and regression lines. So if you remember a scatterplot, each point on the scatterplot represents two pieces of information about the individual. So we're plotting two quantitative variables, one on the independent axis and one on the dependent axis. And so maybe we're looking at someone's GPA and their shoe size. Okay, that would be two quantitative variables, and each dot would represent one person, and it would have their GPA and their shoe size on there. Okay, so quick example of a scatter plot here. So this is Old Faithful eruptions. So we have the eruption length on the bottom, and then along the dependent axis, we have the time in between eruptions. Okay, so this particular scatter plot looks like it's got kind of an uphill trend to it. There's kind of two clusters, one cluster down in that bottom lower corner, where it looks like the eruption didn't last as long, but they came more frequently. And then there's another cluster up in the upper right-hand corner that's kind of the opposite of that. They went off for longer, but it was a longer time in between each one. Now, if we think that there is one of these two variables that can predict the value of the other variable, then we would want to put the explanatory or predictor variable along that independent axis and the response variable on that vertical or dependent axis.